San Francisco is a city that captivates the senses with its breathtaking beauty, a place where nature and urban elegance blend seamlessly. From the moment one arrives, the city's charm is undeniable, with its rolling hills, shimmering bay waters, and historic architecture creating an atmosphere of pure enchantment. The Golden Gate Bridge, standing tall and proud, is a masterpiece of engineering, its brilliant red-orange color glowing at sunrise and disappearing into the misty embrace of the city's signature fog. Whether viewed from the shores of Baker Beach or the heights of Battery Spencer, this iconic landmark leaves an unforgettable impression, its grandeur echoing in the waves that crash beneath it. The city's landscape is a mesmerizing blend of natural wonders and architectural marvels. San Francisco's hills create a sense of drama, rising and falling like the gentle undulations of a great symphony. As one ascends to the peaks of Twin Peaks or the lush greenery of Mount Sutro, the city unfolds below in a dazzling mosaic of rooftops, bridges, and the endless expanse of the Pacific Ocean stretching beyond the horizon. On a clear day, the skyline glistens under the golden sun, while on foggy mornings, the city feels like a dream, its towers and spires emerging from a sea of mist, casting an ethereal glow over the landscape. The waters of the San Francisco Bay add another dimension to the city's splendor. From the lively shores of Fisherman's Wharf to the tranquil seclusion of Crissy Field, the bay's endless shades of blue reflect the ever-changing moods of the sky above. Sailboats glide effortlessly across the water, their white sails catching the golden light of sunset. At dusk, the city's lights dance upon the bay, and the illuminated Bay Bridge sparkles like a string of diamonds, connecting the bustling metropolis to the serenity of the East Bay. The rhythmic lapping of waves against the piers, the distant sound of foghorns, and the salty scent of the ocean breeze create a symphony that lingers in the soul. The beauty of San Francisco is also found in its diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique charm. The painted ladies of Alamo Square, their pastel hues glowing in the afternoon sun, stand as a testament to the city's rich history and architectural elegance. The narrow, winding streets of Russian Hill offer glimpses of charming, ivy-clad homes, while Lombard Street, famously dubbed the crookedest street in the world, is a delightful spectacle of vibrant flower beds and neatly paved brick pathways. In North Beach, the Italian influence is seen in cozy cafes with twinkling lights, while in Chinatown, ornate lanterns dangle above bustling streets filled with the scents of exotic spices and fresh dim sum. Golden Gate Park, a vast expanse of lush greenery in the heart of the city, is a sanctuary of tranquility and natural splendor. Here, towering eucalyptus trees sway gently in the wind, their fragrance filling the air, while the Japanese tea garden, with its delicate cherry blossoms and serene koi ponds, transports visitors to a world of timeless beauty. As one strolls through the park's winding pathways, past shimmering lakes and fields of wildflowers, it becomes clear that San Francisco is a city deeply in tune with nature, where urban life and the natural world exist in perfect harmony. Sunset in San Francisco is nothing short of magical. As the golden light bathes the city, the sky ignites in brilliant shades of pink, orange, and violet, casting a warm glow over the Victorian houses and historic landmarks. The best views are found along the cliffs of Land's End, where rugged coastal trails lead to panoramic vistas of the vast Pacific Ocean, waves crashing against the rocky shore below. From the top of the Sutro Baths ruins, the fading light reflects off the water, creating a spectacle so breathtaking it feels almost otherworldly. At the end of the day, when the city lights begin to twinkle like stars, San Francisco transforms into a glowing masterpiece, a place where beauty is not just seen, but deeply felt in every moment. San Francisco's beauty is not just in its landmarks, but in the way every street, every corner, and every moment in the city feels like a scene from a dream. It is a place where nature and architecture coexist in perfect harmony, where the ocean's endless horizon meets the towering elegance of the Transamerica Pyramid, and where every sunset paints the sky with colors so vivid they seem unreal. The city's charm is found in the small details, the way the morning light glistens on cable car tracks as they weave through the hills, the sight of wild parrots soaring over Telegraph Hill, and the soft glow of lanterns that line the streets of Chinatown, flickering like tiny stars. The Pacific Ocean embraces San Francisco like a guardian, its cool breezes carrying the scent of salt and adventure. Along Ocean Beach, waves roll in like whispers from a distant world, their white crests crashing against the shore in a mesmerizing rhythm. On misty mornings, the beach feels almost surreal, its vast stretch of sand disappearing into the fog, creating an otherworldly stillness. At sunset, the sky bursts into fire, with streaks of crimson and gold reflecting off the wet sand, leaving behind a shimmering path that feels as though it could lead to the edge of the earth itself. Then there is the magic of the fog, the ever-present veil that gives San Francisco its signature ethereal quality. Unlike the oppressive gray of winter skies elsewhere, this fog is alive, rolling in like a slow tide, wrapping the city in a soft embrace. It moves like a living thing, swallowing whole neighborhoods one moment and then revealing breathtaking views the next. It creeps over the Golden Gate Bridge, making it seem as if the structure is floating in midair, its towers barely visible above the thick white sea. From the hills of the Presidio, one can watch as the city disappears and reemerges, a place caught between reality and a dream. The gardens and green spaces of San Francisco add another layer of beauty to its landscape. In the botanical garden, rare flowers bloom in vibrant colors, filling the air with their sweet fragrance. The Conservatory of Flowers, a stunning Victorian glasshouse, stands like a jewel in Golden Gate Park, its delicate white framework holding within it a tropical paradise. In the Japanese tea garden, a single red maple leaf drifting across the surface of a koi pond tells a silent story of time, nature, and fleeting beauty. Even in the city's busiest districts, there are pockets of green hidden alleyways filled with vines, rooftop gardens overlooking the bay, and tree-lined streets where cherry blossoms flutter to the ground like pink snow. The romance of San Francisco is felt in every golden hour, when the city bathes in the soft light of the setting sun. The reflections of the skyscrapers dance upon the bay's surface, and the sound of laughter and music drifts through the evening air. The lights of the city begin to sparkle as twilight descends, transforming the skyline into a sea of stars. Along the Embarcadero, the ferry building glows warmly, its clock tower standing as a beacon against the deepening sky. Across the water, the Bay Bridge comes to life, its shimmering light display creating waves of motion, a silent poetry written in electricity and brilliance. There is something about San Francisco's beauty that lingers long after one has left. It is in the way the city makes even the simplest of moments feel cinematic, the sight of a lone seagull perched atop a street lamp as the fog rolls in, the sound of footsteps echoing through an old brick alleyway, the feeling of a warm cup of coffee in hand while watching the sunrise from a quiet rooftop. It is in the way the city tells its stories, not just through its history and architecture, but through its atmosphere, its colors, its shifting moods. San Francisco is not just a city, it is a living, breathing masterpiece of art and nature, a place where beauty is not only seen but deeply felt in every street, every view, and every heartbeat of its ever-moving soul.